channel. Today we're gonna do some lab experiments. This is my first video. It's -1,000 degrees. Some colors.
What kind of color is that?
And it's green.
Oh, is that?
So we're gonna put it in the water.
Okay.
And then this is a straw to do this, and we can blow bubbles with it. And here's all of the toys we're gonna put in. And here is the bowl. And then we're gonna put some water in. We have a bucket of water. First, you have to do 2 pumps, like this. Filled it up. Now we have to put the food coloring. There you go.
What you making?
I'm making ice.
What color is your ice?
Green.
How did you get it to turn green?
With this special lady.
And what is that special lady?
This is a food color.
Okay.
And then oh no! Now we're gonna do polar bear. And he floats. And now we're gonna do Lego. One more Lego.
Is he floating?
Yes, he's floating. And we're gonna do eyeball floats. How does the crystal do?
Okay. What's that?
This is a kitty cat.
Get the kitty cat in there.
And what does he do?
Oh,
Sing.
he doesn't float. He sinks. Amazing. Another
And
Lego.
more. What does Marshall do? He sinks. And sword do? It sinks. And what does this do? It sinks. And what does Iron Man do? He sinks. And his head.
It looks like he's sitting in a bathtub.
Yeah.
Chilling.
And what does the car do? It sinks. And what does this monster truck do? It sinks. And what does this car do over here? It sinks.
Okay.
Okay.
What's your next plan?
My plan is to do it again.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put it with fresh powders, fresh snow. And then you want to make it.
Oh, look at this! Look at the snow. It's melting.
Yeah. And it's on top of Iron Man's head. Duh. Again, Iron Man's head. Woo! Yep. Goes down his head. And then I'm gonna go over here and clean up the snow. La 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 la. Ooh, la 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 la. And then he's
What you doing now?
I'm putting more water.
Why are you putting more water?
Because so it can melt.
You mean the water can melt? The snow the melt.
The snow can melt.
What you cooking there, mister? Cooking cereal. Some ice in you? Yeah. Never drink this.
It's cold.
Minsan mo itong may pariyo, pero. Okay, I know how to do this the right way.
Yeah, dude.
What you doing?
And then we're gonna do this.
Wow.
And then we have Iron Man's head in there. You see his head? We're gonna leave it outside and wait till tomorrow until it becomes solid ice. Don't forget to like and subscribe for lab experiments. See you tomorrow. Day 2 and see what happened to the ice. Whoa, look at this, guys. It became to ice cold. The snow is ice. It doesn't work. Because what do we need?
What are you trying to do?
Break the ice.
Well,
And it's not working.
is it?
Stupid! Stupid!
It's like an ice volcano.
Stupid.
Okay.
Stupid ice. Dad, I need something to break this. What do we need? Wow, a hammer. A hammer. Great idea, Dad. Let's start.
Can't start just bashing on the ice with that hammer. You need some protection, right?
And where is some protection? Whoa, some eye protection.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I think you can start now slowly.
I think Uh-huh. Everything okay? Okay, I think this is the better way.
It's solid ice, huh?
Yeah, and I'm gonna break that ice. Bah. Why is no breaking? Stupid ice.
Be careful. Good thing you have those glasses on, right?
You know what? Let's just turn it around. Ugh. Look, guys, I turned it around.
Good job.
Let's see
Ooh.
what's under. Oh, gee!
Wait. Let's see just what's going on in here.
Ugh, it smells disgusting.
Smells disgusting.
Yeah. And look, there's my eyeball.
Where?
Here. You see it?
Can you point at it again? Okay, and what's the other toys? Can you see the other toys?
Yeah, I see this one over here.
Okay.
Woo!
Did you get one out?
Oh!
What's that?
Oh! I got my diamonds. Sorry.
That's diamond?
Or. Woo! It's great, polar bear.
Oi.
Not again. What was that? Hey, it's my ninja sword. Sir? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. There. out of there. His foot is stuck. Get out of there. Look what I've done to his head. Yeah. I think the eyeball broke when it was in the ice. Ouch! Why is this thing not coming? Marshall, easy peasy. Okay, easy peasy. What? Who put that inside?
I guess he got in there himself. Did he not?
Yeah, I think so. I put it in there for good luck.
You put the food coloring in there for good luck?
Unclear yours. Iron Man, Lego, cat, polar bear, Marshall, Lego, diamonds, eyeball, car, and a little mosquito, and the Lego, and that's all. We have Iron Man also, and a sword, and some more diamonds. Mine is 3,000. So bye. Stay tuned to watch more episodes. It's Julian's Lab, and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit